Dr. Ian, and welcome back to my channel where I discuss all things related to gut health. If you're new to this channel, make sure you click on the subscribe button below so that you can receive more great information on gut health and how to heal the body. Today, I want to talk to you about Candida and the effect it has on our health. Now, Candida resides in our body at a very low level. So as long as our beneficial bacteria is at an optimal level, it's going to suppress the levels of the Candida or the yeast at a very manageable level where it's not affecting our body. So as long as our gut health is at a low level and our stomach acids are working optimally and our levels are at an optimal level, it's going to inhibit the growth of Candida. As I also mentioned, the beneficial bacteria, if it's at its ideal level, it's going to suppress it. But if it starts getting out of hand, look what happens. It affects our immunity at different levels. And so the question is, well, what do you feel when you have these types of infections or overgrowth? Well, you're not going to feel too good. Look at this list of symptoms that you'll have when you have this overgrowth. You can have fatigue, brain fog. You're not going to sleep well through the night. You can have anxiety, mood swings, pains in the joint and the muscles, alcohol intolerance where you can't drink too much alcohol because you feel sick, and you can have itchiness through the body. So those are a lot of symptoms affiliated with yeast. And if it perpetuates, you're not going to have a very fun lifestyle from a day-to-day basis. There's plenty of books written on yeast, and it doesn't take a lot to figure out if you have an infection. You could do testing that's associated with Candida. But what's really important is that if you feel that you have it, you got to take care of your gut health. You want to make sure that you're intermittent fasting or block fasting, because this helps to kill off the yeast and create a more of a die-off and create more of a balance. Making sure you're eating fermented foods, staying away from sugary foods and processed foods, grains, breads, pastas, dairy type products. You want to make sure that you're eating plenty of vegetables and proteins, eating low glycemic index fruits like berries. This really helps to manage the ratio of bacteria that you need to have in order to suppress and kill off the yeast. In some cases, that may not be enough, so you may have to look into getting herbal remedies, certain vitamins and minerals and botanicals that will help to kill off the excess Candida that you may have. And with the combination of those types of things that you need to do along with your lifestyle changes, making sure your stress is managed and that you don't have any anxiety sleeping through the night, this will help to create an optimal balance once again. It can definitely happen, but you need to be proactive once the yeast goes out of control. If you like this information, make sure you click on the like button below. And if you're new to this channel, make sure you press the subscribe button. We'll see you on the next video. Take care.